With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. The sum of the series 20C0 minus 20C1 plus 20C2 minus 20C3 plus and so on up to 20C10 is. So let us take the solution of this question. Now, first of all, I am writing the binomial expansion of 1 plus x raised to the power n. So, what is the binomial expansion of 1 plus x raised to the power n is nc0 1 raised to the power n minus 0 x raised to the power 0 plus nc1 1 raised to the power n minus 1 x raised to the power 1 plus nc2 1 raised to the power n minus 2 x raised to the power 2 plus so on up to ncn 1 raised to the power n minus n x raised to the power n. Now, here I am comparing this nc0 with the question here. It is written as 20C0. So, my n becomes equal to what? My n becomes equal to 20. So, in this question, my n is equal to 20. Now, I am supposing that x is equals to minus 1. Now, I will write this expansion for x is equals to minus 1. So, what I will make changes here is at every place of x, I will write minus 1. So, I am writing this right side. At every place of x, I am writing x equal to minus 1. So, at the place of n, I am writing 20C0. Now, see here, 1 raised to the power anything will always remain 1. So, I am going to write simply it is 1 always in each term. And x at the place of x, I am writing minus 1 to the power 0 plus 20C1, it is become 1 multiply by x raised to the power 1, that is minus 1 raised to the power 1 plus 20C2 multiply by 1 multiply by x raised to the power 2, which is minus 1 raised to the power 2, and up to so on. I will continue writing on 20C20 1 multiply by minus 1 raised to the power 20. So, now observe the sign of each term. Okay, this term, the sign of this term is negative or positive. Its sign will be positive because all these three quantities are positive. This is positive, and this one also positive. So, it is equal to what? 1 multiply by minus 1 raised to the power 0 is 1. So, it will be equal to 20C0. Now, see the sign of this second term. It here minus 1 raised to the power 1. So, it will be equal to minus 1. So, I am writing here is minus. The remaining two things I will write as it is 20C1 into 1. So, it is 20C1 into 1. Yeah, or I can simply write it as 20C1. Now, in this third term, what I will write? This is minus 1 raised to the power 2. So, it will be equal to plus 1. So, here plus 1. So, sign will be plus. Now, remaining two terms I will write as it is 20C2. Now, this pattern will continue up to what? It will continue up to this 20C20. So, here minus 1 raised to the power 20 is plus. So, here I will write plus sign and it will be equal to 20C20. Now, I know that the formula of NCR is equals to NCN minus R. Okay, now see here. Compare this first term and last term. These both terms are equal. See here by this formula NCR is equals to NCN minus R. It is 20C0 is equals to 20C20. Now, 20C0 is what? 20 factorial divided by 0 factorial multiplied by 20 factorial and 20C20 is equals to what? 20 factorial divided by 20 factorial multiplied by 0 factorial. See here, both these terms are 1. This 20 factorial cancel out. In here also it will cancel out. So these will be equal to 1. So now why I am saying this? Because we have to observe the pattern. This question will be solved easily by observing the pattern. Now see here, which term will be equal to 20C1 in this same series? It is 20C19. See, 20C1 is equals to 20C19. 20C1 is equals to 20 factorial divided by 19 factorial multiplied by 1 factorial, which is equals to 20 factorial divided by 1 factorial multiplied by 19 factorial. See here, it is 20 factorial divided by 19 factorial. This is also 20 factorial by 19 factorial. So in this expansion we have similar terms. This 20C0 is similar to 20C20, 20C1 will be similar to 20C19, 20C2 will be similar to 20C18. Now and so on, the terms will be similar, but the one term which will be not similar to any term is 20C10, sorry, the term 20C10, because this is single, it doesn't have any pair in this expansion. So I am writing this expansion as see 2 times of 20C0 minus 20C1 plus 20C2 minus 20C3 and up to what? 20C9. Minus of 20C9, and which term I have remained with? It is 20C10. So I am writing here it is 20C10 because 20C10 will occur only once. Now what is the left side of this expansion is 1 plus x raised to the whole power n. 1 plus x raised to the whole power n. So when I will compare this left hand side with 1 plus x raised to the power n, I have to write at the place of x is equals to minus 1. So I am writing here 1 plus of x, at the place of x I am writing minus 1 whole raised to the power 20, because n is my 20. This is 20. Sorry, this is 20. This is 20. So 1 plus minus 1 will be equal to 0 is equals to 2 times of the same things I am not writing, it will be similar to this, plus 20C10. Now I am adding both sides 20C10. So here 20C10 is equals to, now when I will add here 20C10, so 20C10 will also become 2 times. So I am writing this as 2 times of 20C0 minus 20C1 plus 20C2 up to so on 20C10. Now see the question once again. I have to find the sum of 20C0 minus 20C1 plus 20C2 and up to 20C10. See the question once again. I have to find the sum of this series 20C0 minus 20C1 and up to 20C10. So my question has become simplified. Now I will simply bring this 2 to the left hand side. So 20C10 divided by 2 is equals to 20C0 minus 20C1 plus 20C2 plus and so on up to 20C10. So the sum of this series is 20C10 divided by 2. 20C10 divided by 2. So the answer is 20C10 divided by 2. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.